Our next honoree is Kristine Ramos. Miss Ramos graduated from Florida State in 2008 with a Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering and a Materials Research background with the FAMU FSU College of Engineering. During her time as an undergraduate student, Miss Ramos balanced the rigorous engineering curriculum with campus involvement and leadership as a member of the Alpha Kappa Delta Phi Executive Board from 2006 to 2008. Following graduation, Ms. Ramos obtained employment with NASA and has excelled in a traditionally male-dominated industry. She has worked as a materials and process engineer for the solid rocket boosters during the shuttle program in Cape Canaveral, Florida, a materials engineer for military rotorcraft for the Aviation Engineering Directorate in Huntsville, Alabama, and a quality engineer for the International Space Station at the Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Recently, Ms. Ramos has been named a task lead supporting the manufacturing and production activities for the core stage of the Space Launch System program at the Michoud Assembly Facility near New Orleans, Louisiana. In addition, she currently supports Green Run as one of the readiness leads for operations and tests at Stennis Space Center in Mississippi. She will follow the rocket post-test, the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, where she will support her team as launch operations when the Artemis rocket targets its launch in 2021. In addition to excelling in her profession, Ms. Ramos continues to be involved in her community. She has served as the chair of the Boeing REACH organization, president of the Boeing Asian Professional Association at Kennedy Space Center, and is an active member of the Boeing Employee Engagement Team, the NASA Speakers Bureau, and the Society of Women Engineering in Central Florida. A leader in her community, she was recently featured for her community service involvement during the Alpha Kappa Delta Phi National Alumni Association's National Alumni Month. Ms. Ramos serves as a shining example for future generations of female engineers looking to pursue a career in the aerospace industry. For her continued dedication to science and the community, we are proud to name Kristine Ramos the 2020 recipient of the Reuben O.D. Askew Young Alumni Award. Let's hear from Kristine now.
My fellow Knowles staff and alumni, greetings from Kennedy Space Center. I'm excited to join you in the celebration, but most importantly, share with you a glimpse of my passion working on the Space Launch System. Before I begin, I want to acknowledge how honored and humble I am for being nominated for such a prestigious award amongst the most amazing graduates. I want to thank the Alumni Association, my coworkers, family, friends, and my sorority, Alpha Kappa Delta Phi. Without their support and mentorship, I don't think I would be so fortunate to be doing what seems like the impossible. While pursuing chemical engineering, I did not envision myself designing human spaceflight vehicles. I did not envision the possibility of me being here manufacturing, testing, and soon to be launching what is the most powerful rocket in history. But during my last years of the FAMU FSU College of Engineering, I often asked my professors what I could do as a chemical engineer, which was almost always met with a definitive anything. As you can imagine, for a senior about to be tossed into the world of uncertainty, that vague answer was a bit frustrating. But looking back now, that boundless and undefined answer was really an encouragement and challenge to pursuing everything. My degree did not limit me into any particular industry. It merely showcased how differently I was taught to perceive the world. See, at Florida State, I experienced a culture that celebrated diverse passions, convictions, and skills, all working towards a common goal in research, design projects, and leadership organizations. I learned to empower the value of differences in all matters of design, execution, and reflection to output innovation and efficiencies. That empowerment carried with me into my career so I could pursue various occupations and organizations outside of my degree, a testament to my career in shuttle, International Space Station, military rotorcraft, and now Space Launch System. And now throughout my journey, I have been surrounded by the most innovative and passionate people in the industry, from all various backgrounds, skill sets, and cultures. It's a genuine reflection of the vehicle that I'm working on, made up of thousands of parts and hundreds of complex systems, all working in sync to achieve the impossible. I believe it's important to instill the same values in current and future generations, so they can put themselves out there to pursue any and all possibilities that you're passionate about. Because the encouragement to pursue anything is what will inspire the pursuit of everything. The everything that will get us back to the moon, get us back to Mars, and eventually get us into deep space. It's actually not rocket science. Thank you again for this honor. Congratulations to all the recipients, and I hope to continue to make you all proud. Go Knowles.